I ain't gonna lie, y'all. CJ Stroud been going off, and Joe Mixon. Joe Mixon been busting hits. Nigga, as soon as I speak on Joe Mixon, he run it, touchdown. What's good with y'all, boys, man? It's your boy Dom, and I'm back with another banger. And today we got the Houston Texans at the Dallas Cowboys. Let me give you a take before I start this video, man. I honestly, think the Texans should win. The Cowboys don't got their starting quarterback, regardless of the defense they got, regardless of the offense they got. They don't got their starting QB. So, I expect Cooper Rush to throw 2 interceptions. And if y'all like this reaction video, I have 14 subs right up there somewhere. 14 subs right up there. I'm on the road to 20. If y'all wouldn't mind to hit that sub and like button, let's get into this bet.
It's not having Jordan Lewis tonight. One of the few bright spots on this team. Not playing tonight either. Third down. Former Cowboy Dalton Schultz.
Okay. Oh, I didn't even know Dalton Schultz used to play for them. So with Dalton Schultz playing for them, he definitely gonna have 100 yards today, right?
In third and long, so a good sign. That's Mechie over the heart of the field, and
Mechie. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. CJ Stroud been going off, and Joe Mixon. Joe Mixon been busting hits. Nigga, as soon as I speak on Joe Mixon, he run it, touchdown.
You're gonna see the center, Jared Patterson, making his second start there at center. He gets Mozzie Smith on skates. And you got Joe Mixon, who,
oh my God,
a nice crease there on the back.
Walking your trap, take over your trap. Walking your trap, take over your trap. All right, let me chill. It's only 7-0. Y'all know I'm a Texans and Steelers fan, though. CeeDee Lamb breaks off the tackle. Gets. Oh my God. Bro, pancakes this shit. Okay. I got a cut my finger. That motherfucker hurt. I need some gum too. My breath smell. We got Cooper Rush. Oh! He dropped it. Who was that? Tolbert? Yep. All right, y'all. I ain't gonna lie though. Did they just throw a fake and not convert it? What? I ain't gonna lie. That's crazy as hell. But Micah Parsons, yes sir. I ain't gonna lie. Micah Parsons been underperforming like shit this year. Either I'm tripping, or Michael Parsons really been underperforming, bro. But, hey. And Tank Dell, he been underperforming too a little bit. Did he just throw an interception? Ooh. Come on, Dallas. They ain't walking in nobody's trap. CJ Stroud better put some motherfucking headphones in. CeeDee Lamb. End around. Gets to the outside, cuts back. Gets around, gets the first down. Come on! Y'all know me, I do every single first down, Sully.
Cowboys pick it up. Pass is picked. Intercepted by Stingley.
All right, that's one interception of the 2 I said. That's one interception under the 2 I think he gonna get. Okay, here we go, Collins. Come on!
See whether or not Houston's able to attack him.
Okay. CJ Stroud says back in the pocket, steps up, throws a dive. Come on, boy! Come on! Joe Mixon, easy touchdown. Yep, I knew it. Never mind. Trayvon with the open field. Okay. Micah Parsons on the inside. Yep, too easy. Oh shit. I ain't gonna lie, bro. The Texans definitely finna take over, bro. That's all I gotta say. The Texans definitely finna take over, bro.
Get it going with the issues that Dallas has had stopping the run. Josh Butler, who I mentioned, making the start tonight.
Yep. The Texans definitely finna take over, bro. Oh, I forgot to tell you. At 50 subs, I'm finna start streaming. Tolbert. Damn. Whoa, that boy flying, boy. That nigga flying. Oh, that's not Tolbert, that's Turpin. Okay.
64 yards and a score.
Wait, what was the flag? What was the flag? Okay, whoa!
Completely turned around coming off the line.
Got him. You're too fast.
There was just nobody in the middle of the field. He's going to come down here.
See?
He comes wide, and it just opens up completely.
Yep. Down. Too fast. He's too fast. His 40 speed probably fast as shit. Oh, yeah, we got 7-14 that kept going through. Joe Mixon don't get a 99-yard touchdown, does he? Joe Mixon bounces it, lowers his shoulder on Trevon. Yep, good tackle. Good run. Come on. Joe Mixon running like he on crack.
Step late was Parsons.
Stop. CJ Stroud to Schultz. Schultz lowers the shoulder. Schultz breaking tackles. Schultz get wrapped up by 6, 7, 8. There we go.
And eventually goes down with
Schultz gets to what, 13, 12? Okay. You know Joe Mixon getting it. Oh shit. Michael Parsons. Yep, Joe Mixon. Gets to the outside. Gets hit out. Go, keeps going. Cuts back. He's back in tackle. Oh my God. Come on. Let's fucking go, Joe Mixon. Come on. If he scores, I'm calling Dallas. I'm calling Dallas. I was about to say, if he would have scored, I'm calling Dallas and letting them know that he was at my bonfire last night doing something he shouldn't have been doing. And y'all know what that was. Okay. Fake handoff. Cooper rush. Dodge. CD. Going backwards? CD, we going backwards, baby? Good pass, Cooper Rush. Okay. Okay, Rushy Dushy. Let me stop talking shit. I bet you we throw 2 more interceptions, though. Cooper Rush looking at CD. Easily telegraphed. Okay. Gets it down to, I don't know who. Good tackle. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Them Cowboys moving right now. Them Cowboys moving right now. Cooper Rush weighing that bitch down. That. Pick. Who blocked it?
53-yard try by Aubrey.
33 at A&T. Yeah, he not missing. He not missing today. He not missing.
Mr. Automatic.
Y'all know that's the best kicker in the league. That nigga ain't missed since Bo Jackson retired. See that Stroud? Throws it to, I don't know who. Bullshit. Good catch. Okay. If they get a stop right here, they'll be in a good position. Nico Collins. Stop. Yeah, if they get a stop right here, that'd be good, bro. They'd be good. They good. They just gotta lock in. Cooper Rush with the ball at his 30. Down the middle. Okay. Okay, Schoon.
Been trying to fight his way back into the lineup for Dallas.
I ain't gonna lie, Cooper Rush throwing that bitch right now. Oh shit.
Cowboys pick it up. Pass is caught.
Oh, I thought he threw an interception. Good catch. Florner.
3rd down and 9.
You get the ball to CD.
Rush steps up.
Cooper Rush running. All right. Yep. Easy check shot.
40-yard try hits the upright. On average, they're
whoa.
at the bottom of the league.
I did not expect him to miss.
Distance for them tonight, 3rd and 6. Here's
Good hit.
1st down across the 40. He's had quite a journey
to
get to Houston as the offensive
don't know how I go.
Man, come on, man. 2nd down.
Schoolmaker? Or I said Schoolmaker. I'm tripping. Nico Collins. Just hit, get the catch. Good. Come on. CJ Stroud. Steps up. Breaks the sack. Down to Mechie. Or Mechie. Good tackle. Okay.
Diggs there for Dallas. A gain of 10. 3rd down.
Okay. Gotta watch out for Nico Collins, bro. They running.
Mixon.
Oh my. Mixon, you asked for that. You gotta have that. That shit in your hands. Fairbairn, don't miss the shot.
2 for 2 on the night.
Fairbairn and Aubrey, the only kickers that don't miss.
Just been a rough go.
I'm sorry, bro, but Jay Tuck, he been selling, bro. I don't know. Jay Tuck been selling, bro.
Push pass to CD Lamb, gets some blocks.
Okay, CD with that end around.
Possession with a 1st down over the right side.
See, they bench not even hype. They're only down by 10. That's 2. That's a score right here in the stop. The catch. Okay. Gone. 64?
64-yard try by Aubrey. He's got it.
I told you that's what they needed. They needed to score, and they needed.
Personal foul.
See, they're gonna go back.
Defense number 95.
Oh shit, that was on the defense.
Penalty and an automatic first down.
Okay. All right, we gotta convert, bro. We gotta convert on their mistakes. Who the fuck is in the backfield? Oh shit, dude's fine. Tolbert get the one. Okay. 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 Damn, Cooper Rush, you throwing that back. Cooper Rush. Ah, the CD.
He got both feet in. The catch is good.
Got to pass it right here if you go for it. All right, in front of the biddies. Got to pass it right here. Whoa. Who you throwing to? Rush?
What you have to lose is a football game, whether you're
Rush, you selling.
You're playing to win.
Come on.
No doubt.
Let me see something.
Cowboys
See that Trout? Down the middle. See that Trout outside? Dot to Tank. Okay, Tank. I was just talking shit. That's my guy.
For a first down. And it is going to be 3rd down and inches.
You got Joe Mixon. Oh shit, you almost threw a pick. 31, you gotta take that home. He said, man, fuck. Rush? Oh my God! Okay, CD. Fuck you talking about? Dowdle with the run. On 1st and 15, yep. How many is that? 9? There you go. Dowdle off the backfield. Steps up. Oh my God, did he fumble? Nope. This nigga fumbled! Nigga, why you pick the ball up? That's the fumble!
Turn for the touchdown by Derek Barnett.
Yeah, don't throw that shit, boy. You know you want that ball.
Barnett with the defensive score.
He caused the fumble.
He
got up.
Makes the play,
Petrie smashed him.
and then he's also able to
Picks the ball up and takes it to the ball.
Barnett forced the first
Like
fumble.
that?
Then Guyton gets it. Here's Barnett.
Got him.
Ends up with a touchdown. Guyton gets it.
Guyton picks it up, running shit over. Boom. Petrie smoked him.
And there's Barnett staying
Barnett
with it,
hurdle.
and he gets the touchdown.
Dude. His big ass almost stepped out of bounds. Dot. Scoop.
Whoa, wow. Pass is behind Schoonmaker. Petrie delivered a hit.
Damn, Petrie laid his dumb ass down.
Personal foul. Unnecessary roughness. Defense number 5.
How was that unnecessary roughness?
Out of the end of the play. Automatic first down.
You can hear been able to capitalize.
How was that unnecessary roughness? Let me know. Anybody know why? CD? Ah.
Incomplete. They went on to win 10 games, won the division.
If they score right here, nigga, it's raps. Oh shit. CJ start out the pocket. CJ stop for 5, for 10, for 15, 20. CJ Stroud with a lot of them yards. See that Stroud? Good block. My fucking finger hurt, bro. They gotta stop. All right, come on, y'all. Y'all still gonna come back. Steps up, rush. Ah. There we go. Cooper Rush. Hey, he playing his ass. He playing his ass off today. I ain't gonna lie. Zeke out the outside. Zeke jogging? Why? Like, come on, Zeke. You all. Come on.
This will be Cooper Rush's
Rico.
50th
Ooh,
attempt to
shit.
get away, and he cannot. And there is
Yep.
Hunter again.
The Neil Hunter, bro.
And if Cooper had had some time,
Lighting that shit up.
he
Oh,
left.
shit, he need to get it.
Big on the route. Here's Hunter getting through.
What?
A sack on 4th down and 16.
He got in too damn fast, bro.
Offensive
Joe
plays
Mixon,
for
don't let him run a
Cowboys from
touchdown. That's all I gotta say. Don't let him run a touchdown right here.
Great snapshot. Here's Mixon left side, gets it on the toss.
I was about to say.
And is down
Joe
inside
Mixon is
the
eating.
15.
Joe Mixon.
Touchdown, Texans. And the
Good score, my boy.
is over for Houston.
Good score, my boy. All right, y'all, 34-10. Yeah, they ain't no coming back, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Cooper Rush had a good-ass game today, and CD played all right. CD had, like, what, 80, 90, 70? Around there. That's solid, though. That's solid. I mean, that's not. I mean, the only reason everybody gonna say that's not good is because we expect more from him. But at the end of the day, if he getting 90, bro, that's not bad. They need a running back, bro. They need a running back, not Deuce Vaughn. They need a running back, bro. No offense to my boy Deuce Vaughn. All love to my boy Deuce Vaughn, but y'all need a running back, bro. Definitely need a running back. But, hey, there ain't really much y'all can do now, bro. Rebuild? Question mark?
It's a big win for the Houston Texans, one they needed.
Janky, Rondo. No, fuck. Fuck. Alright. Y'all, if y'all, damn, pause that shit. If y'all like that video, man, make sure y'all tune in to the next one. You know what I'm saying? I feel like they just need a running back. That's all really that's holding them back right now. But if y'all like that video, make sure you hit that sub, like, and share button. I'm trying to get to 20 subs. Catch y'all boys in the next one.